Tony's Tractor Adventure. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a little mower deck maintenance. As you guys seen in a previous video, I think I called it this and that. Piece of metal come out the side of the mower and busted this guard. I mean, it just tore it all to pieces. I'll give you a shot from the underside. And then shortly after that, the hydraulic solenoid went out on the tractor, so I had to put the mower deck away dirty. I normally run a water hose up under it and with a mower on, so that the that it rinses this thing out and keeps all this grass from growing, or pretty much growing up under the underside of the mower deck. It looks pretty rough under here right now. But what I'm going to do today is go ahead and change the blades out. As you can see here, where I hit that piece of metal, it did a number on this this one blade here, and that's probably why it flew out so hard, because it hit this blade on this side. So what I did is I went ahead and bought me a new set of blades from Bob's, and I just want to show you these mower decks. These are not your Walmart blades. These dudes are heavy, and they're expensive, but I want to have two sets of blades on hand. And the reason being is I can just take a set off and put them on and go, and then on a rainy day I can take them and I can take these old blades that I'm taking off, and I can sharpen these dudes up. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and pop these blades off, put these fresh blades on, and then at a later date I'll come back and sharpen them up. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this dude over and knock some of this stuff that's up under here from the other day when I was mowing. It's kind of wet, and like I said, I had to put it away wet and without cleaning it up, because the PTO went out. And so now I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we get out here and get this yard mowed, because I'm in a world of hurt where I either going to have to mow or bush hog, one of the two. These are definitely some pretty good blades. This is the blade after it took a hit to the metal. These are not your your little blades you'll find on a I'll say a retail store lawnmower. These are really heavy. These are much more like a professional, or these are a professional blade. It took that hit with that piece of metal, and the only thing it did is chip the front of the blade up. It didn't bend the blade. And these blades are definitely I can salvage these blades for sure. I'll sharpen these up and have them on the shelf ready when these get dull. Hey, this is what it looks like mowing with the LS MT125, what the grass looks like. It's really level, does a great job. I've got 3 brand new blades on it, and I have serviced it. I've cleaned the undercarriage, the underside of the mower deck, and it really throws the grass out really well. And it is, the grass is really deep. This grass is about 6 inches deep. I let it get away from me, and and I serviced this deck, and it's doing just really great. So I'll give you a few more shots, and then you can make your decision if you think it mows well or not. to take this time to thank you for watching my channel, and if you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe.